G'day everyone. I hope you can see what I am achieving here. It's pretty special. It's going to come out absolutely absolute gorgeous. So what I've got now is I've got slope here. I've marked my lines where I've got to stay at, right? Like so. And I follow that all the way back. So my level is touching there. And my level is touching there. Like so. Now what I need to do is just give myself a little bit of wiggle room here. So I'll dig down, like so. I'll take that out in a minute and hose it off. I need to put a bit of mud in there. Don't get any down that pipe if you can help it. If you did accidentally drop any mud down there, just get a bucket of water and rinse it. Just pour it down there. I just need to build that up. Like so. Make it nice to waterproof tomorrow. Pop that back in and check it. Good. Good. That drain is not quite sitting super level, but I can level it up. Oh, it's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, so that's allowing for a bit of glue, which is good. Good one. Right, I'll come back to you shortly. All I do now is I'm just dragging my mud back, and then I'll come back to you in a little bit, and I'll show you my next stage. This is Chris O. Stay tuned, subscribe, see you soon.